Hello everyone. Today I made high protein moong dal dosa or moonglet, which is super tasty. This is super yummy and super tasty. So let's get cooking. So here in a bowl I have taken 2 cups of moong dal or green gram. So and then I am going to soak it overnight because these are very hard in texture. So we need to soak it overnight and then it becomes softened. So I am going to soak it overnight, and in the next day morning I am going to see it becomes full softens, and then I am going to wash it through the water. So friends, this moong dal dosa or moong dal breakfast, which is high protein and which is very yummy, and then it's the ideal breakfast for everyone, from the office goers to housewife or children's tiffin. This is just the perfect breakfast. So it's full of protein and without any oil, so it will keep you full for the entire day until the lunch time. So I put it in a blender and with 2 green chilies and 1 inch of ginger, and I make a smooth paste. So friends, see here I made the smooth paste of the moong dal. So you do not need any soda or anything. It's just an instant breakfast. So I am going to put here 1 spoon of salt. So here I am using the pink salt, and then mix it very nicely. So now I am going to put a pan on the gas, and I am going to put a little bit of oil, just 1 pinch of oil. You can say just half or quarter spoon of oil, because you do not need more oil for this dosa. So friends, I try to make my breakfast healthy because it's the most important meal of the day. So I make sure that it is healthy and it is also tasty and it is not monotonous. So I try to make different healthy breakfast for my family every day. So please do make this moong dal dosa at home and let me know in the comment how it comes out, and I can assure you it is going to come out super tasty. So when the dosa is being ready, in the meantime I am going to make here a yummy chutney, spicy chutney. So for the chutney here, or you can say dip as well, so I put half a teaspoon of mustard seed and few curry leaves. And once it's been fried little bit, I'm going to add here 1 chopped tomatoes and few shallots. Shallots are the small onions which are very flavorful in the chutney. It's just mind blowing. So I'm going to fry this very nice until the tomatoes gets mushy. And also I'm going to add here 2 red chilies and a spoon of salt. And then I'm going to cook it until the tomato becomes softened. So I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it cook. So here also, say friends, my dosas are almost been ready. So I'm going to add here just half a teaspoon of oil, cooking oil. And also friends, just to make the dosa more tasty, I am going to add here few chopped onions. So it will give a very crispy and nice flavor to the dosa. You can opt out the onion if you don't like it raw onion, but I like it with raw onion and it is super tasty. So see friends, I made already 1 dosa. Now I am going to make the other dosa. So friends, this breakfast is very easy. All you have to do is at night you just need to soak the moong dal, and then in the morning it's just ready and whole family is going to enjoy it. So please make it, and friends, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you do like my videos. I do try to make healthy recipes and upload in my channel. I am also a health freak, so I do eat junk food very less, and then I almost try to eat my food more of protein and less of carb. So my breakfast are mostly, it is protein full breakfast, protein loaded. So see, another dosa also I made. It is already ready and it's giving very nice flavor because of the onion. So friends, and I made 2 dosas already, and here also my chutney tomato also became very nice softened. Now I am going to put it in a blender and paste it. So friends, please let me know how do you find my recipes, and if you want to see some South Indian recipes which you want me to make, please let me know in the comments so that I can make out. So this particular moong dal dosa, it's called Pesarattu in Karnataka. So they say Pesarattu, which is healthy and yummy, and unlike normal dosa, this dosa does not need fermentation. So it's all done. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Have a nice day.